These How to 1 Minute will show you how to align text content in WordPress website. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to do it. I'm going to my post section and here I'm going to edit this post. So as you can see here some random text, and to align this text all you have to need just select the text part or text box, and here you will get this alignment icon. Click on the center to make your text center. To make your center right, select right, and to make left, select left. And if you have images on your WordPress website or a video that you want to make center, simply select the image or photo and click on this align icon, and now you can align the photo or video from here. Then make sure to update the post, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.